Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can edit and customize your workspace on Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me launch the Opera browser on my desktop computer, and first what you need to do guys is navigate to the given workspace here in the top left. You will see all created workspaces listed at the top of your left sidebar. Workspace 1 and then we got example, for instance, Workspace 2. So what you want to do is right click into the given workspace, select edit, and then you may go through that menu here. You may assign an icon, a name, and click into save here. Also, you may disable the given workspace by unchecking it or unchecking the box here to the left, and or click into these three dots here, assign a shortcut for it, remove the given workspace entirely, return to the edit menu, or add more workspaces by clicking into this button. If you'd like to remove or disable them here, just move that switch. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.